Hey there, I'm Dave, and welcome to the second video in this WordPress tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your administration area and introduce you to the most important tools there. The admin area is where you control everything about your website. If you've ever heard the term backend, this is what it means, while the front end of your website is what the world sees when they visit your domain name or the live published website. Now let's take a quick tour of the key parts of the website we're going to create. First, there's the overall design or look, which we call a theme. Most themes have a header, a sidebar, the main page or post area, and a footer. You may have two types of content, some permanent static content like these top links made of pages, or dynamic content like a blog where you periodically publish new posts to keep visitors coming back to find out what's new. Your pages and posts may contain media like images, videos, and other documents. And that covers your basic website design. You also have a few behind-the-scenes decisions to make, like whether you need more than one user to manage your site, and whether you'd like to install any plugins to automatically add exciting functionality like contact forms or image galleries. All of these things are managed on the backend administration page. Let's take a look at that right now. To get to the admin area, you must first log in. Type your website name in your browser's address bar, then add /wp-admin. Now I enter my username and password and press login. As soon as you log in, you have access to all tools to control your entire website. Don't worry if this looks like a lot of buttons, because it's really quite intuitive, and you'll get comfortable with it in no time. After I show you around, feel free to check out all the links and explore this side area. Remember, the best way to learn WordPress is to play around and see what things do. Get comfortable, you're moving in. The top row of the admin screen provides a few shortcuts to common tasks, like visiting your site here, or clicking on Howdy, followed by your username, lets me edit my profile like contact info and password. One trick that makes this content creation process really efficient is to open my site in a new browser tab so I can toggle back and forth between the WordPress dashboard and my website. As I add content and save them to my site, I can switch tabs quickly, refresh my website, and see updates immediately. You'll see me doing this throughout the series. I highly recommend you adopt this workflow. Most website creation and design work is a lot of trial and error to make things look exactly as you would like. The dashboard page shows a few statistics and things for quick reference in case you're interested. Now notice that Bluehost created a coming soon page for you that you can dismiss as soon as you're ready for your site to go live. It's pretty cool because as long as you're logged into WordPress, you will be able to see your site, but no one else will until you click the Click Here button. This left side toolbar contains links to everything you need to manage your site. Marketplace is a special add-on supplied by Bluehost and Mojo that delivers some premium WordPress themes and plugins. Hosts shows all of the blog posts you published and lets you create new ones. Don't worry if you see a post the first time you visit this area. You haven't been hacked. Upon installing WordPress, a post entitled Hello World is created by default. We'll change that later. Media shows all the pictures, videos, sound recordings, and other media you've uploaded to use in posts or pages. Pages shows all the permanent or static content pages you've written. Comments lets you moderate or screen any comments that visitors have made on your site. Appearance lets you change the design of your site by activating different themes along with some other controls that change the look and feel of your website. Plugins let you add or manage pre-built software add-ons like photo galleries or spam blockers to add extra functionality to your site. Users let you manage and add or remove user accounts. Tools let you export your WordPress website to back up your data and a few other things. Settings let you change the site name and tagline and adjust other details. And that's all there is to designing and managing your website. Pretty straightforward, right? The remaining videos in this series will walk you through each of the most useful functions in greater detail, starting with Pages to set up your permanent content. I look forward to seeing you then.